sophisticated tools that reviewers might be interested in. One of them that came out a few years ago was called Ghidra. Okay, and Ghidra is a tool that was developed by NSA. So if you have a lot of reservations about oh, I'll just pull up some nice pictures of. I don't know if I have it on this system, but I'll pull up some screenshots of it. That Ghidra was developed by the NSA for doing engineering, and previous to them releasing this as an open source project, you had to spend some serious money for things like IDA Pro and others. And this tool does almost everything that IDA Pro does, and it's free. So you can get it. And this is Ghidra here. And this is actually an analysis. We were working with WannaCry right here. WannaCry was one of those tools that used the Eternal Blue as its entry point for ransomware. And so in one of our classes, we were doing an analysis of it, and we used Ghidra to do it. We have a class coming up in February in reverse engineering. We'll be using Ghidra extensively in that class. So it's one of those tools. It's kind of an advanced tool. I wouldn't say that it's a entry-level tool by any means, because reverse engineering is kind of an advanced topic, but it's one of those tools that's free. And the more you know about it, the more you're going to understand malware. And the more you understand malware, the better you're going to be as a cybersecurity pro and as a hacker. I think it's one of those essential tools that advance at least to the intermediate level is to be able to use Ghidra. And the beauty of it is that it's free. Keep that on your list.